Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll start numericals of unit number 3 dynamics class 9th. Let's see numerical 3.6. The two masses 52 kg and the 48 kg are attached to the end of a string that passes over a frictionless pulley. Find the tension in the string and the acceleration in the bodies when both the masses are moving vertically. First we have to enlist the given data. M1 is equal to 52 kilograms, M2 is equals to 48 kilograms. Both of these masses are attached to a frictionless pulley. As we know that M1 is greater than M2, so the M1 is moving downward and M2 is moving upward. Because both of these masses are attached with a string, so the system have a same acceleration value A. We have to find this acceleration and we have to find the tension in the strings. To calculate the acceleration in this system, we use the formula A is equals to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into g. Here g is the gravitational acceleration. Its value is 10 meter per second square. By putting all the values in this equation, A is equals to 52 minus 48 divided by 52 plus 48 multiplied by 10. The acceleration is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. To calculate the tension in this system, we use the formula of the tension, which is equals to T is equals to 2 m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into g. Putting the values of m1, m2 and g in this equation, we will get 2 into 52 48 divided by 52 plus 48 into 10. The answer is 499.2 Newton. Approximately it is equals to 500 Newton. So that's all about this numerical. If you understand this problem, share my video, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.